snacks muna because we're hungry na.
Hello. Hello. Kahatpat naman na. Since nandiyan na siya, ako nalagyan natin. The way to chicken barbecue.
Okay, barbecue.
Chocolate yun.
Originally, hot pot kami, pero ang haba ng pila, pang 12 kami. Pang 12. Hindi na po kaya, guys.
Let's go.
Okay, we have... What's this?
Hindi ko alam.
And then boneless chicken, tteokbokki,
Dumpling.
fried dumpling, and yung dessert. Joke lang.
Wala?
Wala.
Ang rice ulit.
Let's eat.
Mo hot or hot?
Uy, wag naman super. Baka masira yung chan ko. May pasok ka.
3.
Ayan na lang. Three.
Shake ata ito.
Ano in order mo?
Enjoy nut latte. Pakatamis medyo. Parang hindi kape.
So, the lesson is to stick to your usual
Ito
order.
latte.
First time doing a grocery in Shopee. Kahit dito lang ako nakatira. It's so nice kasi they're relocated pero matagal na. Yan.
Yes.
Quick grocery lang ulit. We'll come back next time. Pag mag-replenish na ng stocks.
Sabi na po.
Yes, he's gonna cook tonight. He's gonna cook. We're gonna cook pala. Ano lang ako, assist. Sous chef. Head chef, sous chef. Hindi, di ba, hindi naman nagluluto yung head chef.
Guys, kamusta yung cup?
Ganda ng cup niya, no? Bagong bili niya yan today.
Try ko na inaanak ko eh. Tutol.
Parang new release siya. Tapos kaka-restock lang ng New Era. Yeah. Yeah. So we're heading home. Madilim na. It's
7 eh.
Ay, 7 na ba?
7:15.
Sige. Anyway, bye. We're heading home. So, we've already had dinner. Care of Love Love.
Sarap. Dinner. Busog ko. Sobrang well done.
We had steak and choco pasta.
Congrats eh. Well done. Tumayo. Standing ovation.
Now we're going to get coffee. Sobrang busog na.
Full brew.
Kaya naglalakad ko. Well, wala naman, there's no other way. Maglalakad talaga kami, malapit lang.
Congratulations!
Finally, hot potty. Sabi niya, yogurt than coffee. Thank you. Yay.
We are the dark side.
Dessert.